Everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall foobar2000 from your Windows PC or laptop. If you no longer need the program or want to reinstall it from scratch, this step-by-step guide will help you remove it safely. Let's get started. First, make sure foobar2000 is completely closed. If it's still running, exit the program before continuing. Next, click the **Start* button and open *settings**. In the Settings window, click **apps**, then select *installed apps** or apps and features **, depending on your version of Windows. Scroll through the list of installed programs until you find *foobar2000*. Click on foobar2000*, then select *uninstall**. A confirmation message will appear. Click uninstall* again to continue. If Windows displays a user account control ** prompt, click *yes* to allow the uninstaller to make changes to your computer. The foobar2000 uninstall wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions and click next ** or uninstall* until the removal process begins. Wait a few moments while Windows removes the application from your computer. Once the process is complete, click *finish if the option appears. If you want to remove all personal settings and configuration files as well, you can manually delete the remaining foobar2000 configuration folder after uninstalling. This step is optional and is only recommended if you want a completely clean removal. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes are applied. And that's how you uninstall foobar2000 from your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.